Good morning, students. Today's topic badminton. Introduction, history, equipment, rules of the game, badminton court, grips, skills and techniques, shots, badminton closure. Grips, Gracie badminton. Badminton is a racket sport played by either two opposing players or two opposing pairs who take position on opposite halves of a rectangular court that is divided by a net. Players score points by striking shuttlecock with a racket so that it passes over the net and lands in their opponent's half of the court. Each side may only strike the shuttlecock once before it passes over the net. A rally ends when the shuttlecock has struck the floor. History, a form of sport played in ancient Greece and Egypt. The beginnings of badminton can be traced to mid-18th century British India. Initially, balls of wool referred as ball badminton, but ultimately the shuttlecock stuck. The International Badminton Federation (IBF), now known as Badminton World Federation, was established in 1934, was first contested as an official Olympic sport at the 1992 Olympics. Badminton equipment. Rackets are lightweight 70 to 95 grams, not including grip or strings. They are composed of many different matches: carbon fiber, composite, aluminum, wood. Strings. The optimum tension for power defense on the player strings tension is normally in the range of 80 N to 160 N. Grip. The choice of grip allows a player to increase the thickness of his racket handle and choose a comfortable surface to hold. There are two main types of grip: replacement grip and over grips. Shuttlecock. A shuttlecock is high drag projectile with an open council shape. The cone is formed from 16 overlapping feathers embedded into a rounded cock base. The cock is covered with thin leather or synthetic material. Synthetic shuttles are often used by recreational players to reduce their cost, as feathered shuttles break easily. Shoes. The proper badminton shoes will have a little lateral support and a very thin sole lower a person's center of gravity and therefore result in fewer injuries. Score rules. Each game is played to 21 points. A match is the best of 3 games. At the start of the rally, the server and receiver stand in diagonally opposite service courts. When the serving side loses a rally, the serve immediately passes to their opponent. Second serve doubles. In singles, the server stands in their right service court when their score is even, and in his left service court when her score is added. In doubles, if the serving side win a rally, the same player continues to serve, but he changes service court so that he serves to different opponent each time. If the opponents win the rally and their new score is even, The player in the right service court service. It odd the player in the left service court serve. The players' service courts are determined by their position at the start of the previous rally, not by where they were standing at the end of the rally. If the score reaches 20 all, then the game continues until one side gains a 2-point lead, such as 24-22, up to a maximum of 30 points. How to play badminton? Single badminton, doubles badminton. Badminton court, 44 feet length and 20 feet width. Badminton grips, forehand grip. This grip is used to hit shots that are on the forehand side of your body and around the head shots. Your racket face shall be perpendicular to the floor. Place your playing hand on the handle as if you are shaking hands with it. There shall be a V shape in between your thumb and your index finger. The racket handle shall rest loosely in your fingers for greater flexibility. Backhand grip. This grip is used to hit shots that are on the backhand side of your body. Hold the racket as you would on a forehand grip. Turn the racket anti-clockwise so that the V shape moves left forwards. Place your thumb against the back level of the handle for greater leverage and power. The racket handle shall also rest loosely in your fingers. Skills and techniques. Skill. It is an action that we use in an activity. Example, service, clear shot, etc. Technique. It is the way in which a skill is performed. Example, high or low service, smash or jump smash, etc. Describing a skill. Trying to describe a skill is often easier when you look at it in three parts: preparation, action, recovery. Forehand and backhand shots. All strokes can be played either forehand or backhand. A player's forehand side is the same side as their playing hand. For a right-handed player, the forehand side is their right side and the backhand side is their left side. Players frequently play certain strokes on the forehand side with a backhand hitting action and vice versa. Where hit the shuttle? Overhand area, clear drop, smash. Underhand area, service, lob, net trap, drive area. How to find your ready position in badminton? Your position on court will vary a lot depending on whether you are playing singles or doubles, and also depending on the circumstances during the rally. Stance. Your feet a little more than shoulder width apart. Your weight should be shifted forwards a little. with your knees slightly bent. Racket carriage. Bring your racket up. Your racket should be held out in front of you and away from your body. Your left arm should be used to balance your right arm and racket, holding it in front of your body and slightly out of the side. A general fault occurs if the bird falls outside the court, a player is struck by the bird, a player hits the bird twice in succession, or a player and partner hit the bird on successive shots. The bird is struck before it crosses the net. A player touches the net while the bird is in flight. A player catches the bird instead of lifting it trap. The bird is carried on the racket. A player obstructs an opponent. Thank you, children. See you next class. Stay safe, stay home.